Lenovo Docking Station firmware is the software that controls its core functions. Knowing the version is crucial for troubleshooting, updating for security, and ensuring compatibility with your laptop. Outdated firmware can lead to connectivity issues, performance problems, or security vulnerabilities. We'll show you how to find it. Before you start, ensure your docking station is compatible with your system. This guide primarily focuses on ThinkPad docks released since 2018. You'll need a Windows 10 11 or Mac OS device. For Windows, Lenovo Vantage is recommended. Power off devices before connecting to avoid conflicts. Begin by downloading Lenovo Vantage from the official Lenovo website at support.lenovo.com. Install the application on your Windows device. Once installed, launch Lenovo Vantage and ensure the application is updated to the latest version. Connect your docking station to your laptop using a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Lenovo Vantage offers a user-friendly interface for viewing the firmware version of your docking station. In Lenovo Vantage, navigate to Hardware Settings or Device under My Device Settings. Select your docking station from the list of connected devices. Look for the firmware version or update section. The current version will be displayed, such as DockFW 1.45. If updates are available, Vantage will prompt you to install them. If Lenovo Vantage isn't available, use Windows Device Manager instead. Search for Device Manager in Windows to open it. In Device Manager, expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers category or look for a Docking Station section. Right-click on the docking station device and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, click the Details tab, then select Hardware IDs or Device Instance Path from the dropdown. The firmware version may appear in the displayed string. For example, look for something like Rev001. On Mac OS, firmware information for your Lenovo docking station can be found using the built-in System Information tool. Start by clicking the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. In the About This Mac window, click the System Report button to open detailed system information. Within the System Report, navigate to the Hardware section in the left sidebar, then select USB to view connected USB devices. Look through the USB device tree for your Lenovo docking station. Once selected, the firmware version and other details will be displayed in the right panel. In Lenovo Vantage or System Update, click Check for Updates to scan for firmware patches. Apply any available updates to ensure your docking station is secure and compatible. If the docking station isn't detected, try using a different USB-C cable or port on your device. This often resolves connection issues. Regular firmware updates are crucial for maintaining security, performance, and compatibility with the latest features in your Lenovo docking station. Experts, including those from Gartner, recommend checking for firmware updates biannually to ensure optimal functionality and prevent issues. Lenovo's Chief Technology Officer, Yangyuan Qing, emphasizes that keeping firmware current is non-negotiable for security and performance. Outdated firmware can expose your system to vulnerabilities and exploits. Industry reports show that 65% of enterprise docking issues stem from outdated firmware. By staying updated, you can boost device longevity by 2 to 3 years and resolve up to 90% of firmware-related queries through tools like Lenovo Vantage.